had an idea to make a tiny star. I'm going to show you how I made it using the EW star for a pattern. I'm only going to make this star 1/4 inch big, and so I'm going to draw the outline of it. I'm going to select that star. I want to make this all exactly center, so I'm going to hit the align to center box. I'm going to zoom into it. I'm going to put the quick edit box around it. That way I can take the top right node, click on it, and make a duplicate, click on it again, and drop it. I'm going to take the upper corner. I'm going to make that smaller, about like that. I'm going to duplicate it again. Oop, drop it. I'm going to make that one smaller. Oh, okay. That could be a little bit smaller yet. All right, so there's 3 stars. I'm only going to use these for a pattern to follow, and I'm going to draw with the single line tool. Click on that. I'm going to start up here in the center inside. I'm going to come down to the bottom corner, inside corner, and then I'm just going to draw a star like I used to like to draw when I was a kid. And just come around and there. I'm going to continue coming down to the bottom of the next one. I'm going to follow through with making that star. Stop in center bottom and do the last one. All right, all my points are done. I'm going to end it there. You can see how the lines didn't line up very good. When you look at the thumbnail, it doesn't look that much like a star. But if I click on it and I choose the stitch type instead of single, I'm going to choose as drawn single. And now it's going to line up nice. You can look at the thumbnail and see how well it looks. When I'm doing small stitch patterns like this, or small items, I like to take the column tool. Is set for a preset satin, which is going to show you how many stitches you should have to get a nice full effect from satin. When I have it zoomed in this far, it's difficult to know where to go with it or how close to make these, and that's why I like to make this sample satin. When I zoom out to 100%, this is how big my new design is. It's pretty tiny. So that's actual size. And that little sample of column satin kind of tells me if my stitches are going to be too dense or not dense enough. So let's bring that back up again after I select it. So this is my new star. It's going to, I'm going to hide the rest of this stuff so we can just see that up close, 3D. You can see how it just continually goes back and forth and fills in a star shape. And it came out pretty good. So I'm also going to show you how to do some linear patterning with this star shape. So I'll zoom back out. I'm going to choose create linear pattern from selected object. Click on that box. I have 6 items in I have 8 items in direction 1. I have 6 items in direction 2. I'm going to take dynamic spacing, X and Y both, D1 and D2, direction 1 and direction 2, so that when I click on this, my cursor is going to determine where all these are going to fall. So I'm going to just bring all these in, line them up in a uniform way that I want to see them. So I'll just place them there. Say OK. I'm going to go in 3D, and that's how those stars look.